While it is your hands and fingers that direct how you deliver your skill, a makeup artist is nothing without his or her brushes. I'm going to introduce you to the next best thing other than your hands: brushes. On the first look, they just appear like tools, but each individual brush and the way it is designed has a specific purpose, and as an artist, it is imperative that you understand and use each one well to deliver the kind of finish that a customer expects from you. In this video, I will lead you through an array of common brushes and sponges used in makeup application and explain how each of them must be used. Good brushes are expensive, but you must remember that you will not have to buy them often. I would recommend that you buy the best brushes that you can afford and maintain them really well so they last you your entire career. I'm not kidding. So understand what you will definitely need on the onset of your career and build your brush kit gradually as and when you can afford to do it. To begin, let me take you through the basic construction of a brush.